So we're here with the Aries 1501. We're about to do a 3D cap. The first thing we need to do is insert the cap onto the machine. So of course we already have it hooped here. Of course I'm not gonna fit going straight in. I'm gonna turn sideways. I'm gonna insert my cap and then straighten it out. Now we have little cutouts back here for us to fit into. So we need to get into our cutouts and then we're gonna pinch the system together. Do not push. If we push, we're gonna move the arm back and it's gonna mess up the registration. If we do mess up the registration, all you need to do is turn the machine off and turn it back on. But here we're going to pinch. We're gonna insert our fingers onto the metal part of the hoop, grab the hat driver and pinch together. One big pinch to push, to pull everything together, right? And we do not push. Now that we have it on, we need to get our 3D foam on. So we already have the tape on, so we're gonna slide it on and push the tape down. So we do this to avoid flagging on the cap. The last thing we need is the foam to be bouncing up and down, because that'll give us nothing but embroidery and quality issues. But now that we have it on, we're ready to start. So now that the cap is finished, we can remove it. So we have 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. We pull out into the side, and I can just remove my 3D foam. So now that I removed it, all that's left is to clean up the design. So I'll have these little threads sticking out or some foam poking out. So we'll grab our heat gun, right, and we'll clean it up. So we're just gonna hit it with some hot air just to help clean it up a little. You can see how the threads close up and how it tightens up a little bit. You can also do it on the inside to get the threads on the inside shorter. And now my 3D cap is done.